PRV stopped working. The hose bib is 100 PSI. It's a 1-inch. It's kind of screwy. Part of the house is Galvy. Part of the other house, or the upstairs house, or not upstairs house, but upstairs part of the house, is copper. So this is my favorite PRV, double union. It's the way to go, man. This is 1-inch, if I didn't mention it. I'm gonna take all this nonsense off right here. Brass nipple, PRV, and I got a male adapter in there. This thing gets wet, it stops working. I swear that if you tighten it first, it comes off much easier. I don't know why that is. Now, 4-inch piece. That's why I don't solder much anymore. My joints aren't leaking. That's why I don't mess with soldering, really. It's just a waste of time, really. There's always an issue, you know? I mean, I have that hot block stuff I could have used, but it's just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I could probably just hit that with... Maybe I'll try to just hit it with some flux and solder and see if that makes it hold. It's just so much easier, dude, doing ProPress. I will admit, what took me so long, I need to get a new can of flux, and some new brushes, because freaking little bristles kept coming off, and it's just annoying, bro. I wasted that material, but it is what it is. Dude, I am sick, bro. Oh, I want to see if this... I haven't pressed anything yet. Let's just see how bad it leaks. It's pretty crazy. Nah, it's gonna leak like a sieve. All right. I learned that you're supposed to have 4 inches between galvi and other material. All right, these are preset to 40, I believe. 45, yeah. Okay, so we want to increase that to 70. They have 2 floors. So to increase it, you do the opposite. You screw it in. It's kind of counterintuitive, but that's how you do it. Almost there. Almost. All right. There you go. A little under 70, that works for me. That's how you install a pressure regulator with a failed solder joint. I don't see any leaks. There's a little water right there, but that was just from when it's not seeping.